Hi Amy, this is a video showing you how to add a logo to the label page. I guess whether that be the music label or the video label page. So you can either come to the front end and then hit Edit Post, or it might be easier in this case, since you're probably going to be touching most or all of them, to come to the back end and come to Labels, and then you can open each one of these and know where you are in the process to get it all done. You can always click on this, the header name here, and that will put these in alphabetical order, making it easier to find things and to make sure you're doing them in order. We'll just go ahead and use this one that I already did as an example. We'll hit Edit Post here. If you don't get this view, if instead you end up with, some other view, all you need to do is click that back end editor mode and you'll get this view here. Let's see if we can get that to show up a different way here. We'll open up a Lula. So yeah, if you end up with this view and you want to be able to edit like this, all you need to do is click this back end editor button and you'll see you get this view here. So in this case, I set this to be this fraction, 1/4 plus 3/4, which is what gives you this, think of it as this space here being divided into 4 columns. This is 1/4 and this is 3/4. So that's the relationship here that we've got. If you want this to be smaller, you can make it smaller. You can literally just come right here and do custom. It won't let you do all fractions. So there's a lot of pre-made ones here. But if you wanted to do fifths, you can do fifths. And then if we hit update there, you can see as soon as this is done updating on this tab, we'll hit refresh and we'll watch this get a little bit smaller and the text row get a little bit bigger. So whatever you think that should be, you should probably do it for consistency's sake. Just pick one and do it for all of them. It's going to look differently, obviously, depending on if you've got a tall, skinny logo or a square logo or a not very tall but very wide logo. Yeah, in any case, that's really all there is to it. So let's use one that hasn't been done yet. You'll see it's all in one row here. So again, we would just come right here and we can either use that 1/4, 3/4 like I had before, or you can go right here to custom and type in the 1/5, 4/5 like I had updated the other one to. Then we would just take this, click right here on this part right here where it says drag to move text block when you hover. We'll drag this right over to this part. Right here we just hit on this plus button and then we'll go right here to single image. Now there's a lot of things here. You're probably only going to use a few of them. So if you can't find it, don't get frustrated. The search function works really well. If you just start typing image here, it'll narrow it down a lot for you. So we'll say single image. For the size here, you want to change this to large. And then you just hit on the plus button right here. If it's already in your media library, obviously you can just click on it and use that. In this case, since it's not already going to be in the image library, you just come right here to upload files, select file, and then browse to wherever it is on your computer that you have that and upload it. I'm just going to go ahead and throw in this for the sake of the example. We'll hit save. Save changes, and then you need to hit update in order to see that take effect on the front end of the website. Excuse me. Go ahead and hit update there, and there is the wrong image showing up there. So we'll go ahead and get rid of that. We'll go ahead and return this to just one row and update that so that the wrong thing isn't showing, but those are the basics of how to get that done. So yeah, start with Burnside, decide, I guess, what the fractional relationship is that you want between these two columns, and then you can get going with the rest of them. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.